all we've got left on this at the moment, I'd like to share with you. Okay, what I'm missing off this, which is really funky and cool, are these babies down here, loop effects. Okay, you click on loop effects and you get all the settings come up. So you can target the input, target which track you'd like it to go to. You can use these to scroll along. Choose categories of effects, guitar, voice, modulation, choose your category. Effects type, choose your effects type. Okay, this is from clicking on here. This is linked to this button here. So when I activate the effect button, you get whatever effect you just put in. Reason for this is because I've targeted the input. Okay, so if you go back with this, forward with this one, and round with this one, to change it, you can target the input or different tracks. I've targeted the input, meaning that whatever comes in any of these three tracks now has delay. So if I was to record this with delay, like this, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's delay. So that's a simple run through of the Boss RC300 loop station by Boss. We've gone through all the basics. If there's anything you'd like to learn about it, or if there's anything you'd like to know about it that we haven't talked about, please put a comment and we'll figure it out together. Peace. Peace.